Hey guys, Sam from 3D here. In this short tutorial I would like to show you two things. One thing is how you can change or how you can modify the materials in the ICONZ library. The second one is how you can append different materials to our different libraries. So let's take a look on to the first point, which is changing the materials. First of all, I need to be in the object mode. I need to click on the object, and now what I can see in the for example here something happened, but I can go to the material properties and I can see it here. So as you can see, I have added two materials to this icon and I can change it easily. The material has two shaders applied, and you can combine, you can play with that, right? So if I want to change it, I can easily do, and I need to change the viewport shading to this one, and I can see the change. But let's say I want to change the material, and here are all the materials. So for example, black, we have different clay materials. Here is the special clay, this is the special material. Here is some basic ones. Here is the gold, here are the different gradients, here is the steel, and here are the tones, different tones. So let's say I want to use this gold and I would like to change this to the let's say black clay, and voila, this is how it will look like. And if I want to change the clay, let's go down here and I can easily change that. I can on this preview I can see pretty fastly how it will look like, so I can change it, right? So something like this. What is important to mention, if I click in the viewport, I click 0, I see in the animation I see different frames. It means that every icon has 5 cameras, and if you render animation, you will get all 5 different angles. If you want to render only a specific angle, just go in the animation to specific frame and then click render image. If the image is rendered, then just save it. Okay, let's take a look how you can append these materials from ICONZ library to different libraries, like for example to avatars. What I did, I opened the avatars library, and now what you can do is basically you need to go to the file, go to append. Now you need to find the ICONZ library, then click, for example, which one do you want. So let's go, I want to append the toon, and I'm going to material, and now I need to choose which materials I want to append. So let's say I want to gold or toon, right? So toon and gold, and now I need to go to the object mode, click on the specific object, for example hair, go to the material properties. As I can see, I see that it's applied hair 12. I need to change it the same as it was in the ICONZ library, and I can easily change it. Now I need to, as in the previous one, I need to change it to viewport shading. This is how it will look like. But what is cool about it is that I can, for example, change it to the gold. I can change also the glasses, and I can have gold glasses, which I think it's pretty cool that you can play with that. You can do even more customization, and you can be even more creative with these libraries, and you can combine them as you want to. Also, if you want to append the icons to different libraries, for example to hands or avatars, what you need to do is basically go to append, and instead of appending the material, you need to append the object, right? So for example, I have the rocket here. I appended the rocket. I need to find it here, right? Probably it's not visible. Yes, I click the S. Now what I'm doing is basically I clicked S, I'm doing it bigger, and now I have the rocket inside the avatars library. And I think this is super powerful because you can do pretty cool thing. You can combine them and you can get pretty nice pictures, pretty nice designs. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you want to learn more about the ICONZ library, let's go to the icons.design. If you have any question, please reach out to me at samuel@3d.design, or if you want to see our other libraries, take a look at 3d.design. Have a great day. Bye.